Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If your Minecraft game has suddenly gone completely silent or an audio glitch is actively muting your entire computer when you launch the game, your audio drivers or game resources have crashed. I will show you exactly how to reload the sound engine and fix this bug right now. Let's get started. First, if you're playing the Java edition of Minecraft and the background music or block sounds randomly cut out, simply hold down the F3 key and press the T key on your keyboard at the exact same time. Your screen will briefly freeze and display a Mojang loading screen. This is completely normal and forces the game engine to instantly reload the entire audio system and resource cache. Next, if you're playing the Bedrock Edition on Windows, the operating system frequently mutes the application in the background by mistake. While the game is open, press the Windows key plus G on your keyboard to launch the Xbox Game Bar overlay. Look at the audio widget on the left side of your screen, find the specific volume slider for Minecraft, and ensure it is turned all the way up and not accidentally clicked on mute. Finally, a very common bug in modern versions of Minecraft actually crashes your computer's core audio driver during the game's loading screen. Press the Windows key plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter to open your system services. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the list, right-click on the entry named Windows Audio, and select Restart. This forcefully reconnects your operating system to your speakers or headphones, instantly restoring your game sound. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching.